This is for Year 12 methods. It's the 2014 Functions Application Tech Allowed Question 5 Part 2. The third option presented to system error is based on a truncus. And the rule E from 0 to 1 is A over bracket bx plus 1 squared plus 2.3. Find the values of A and B if the gate has the coordinates 0, 0 and 1, 2. Okay. So I'll enter these over here. So there it is, entered, and that's going to equal 0, options given x equals 0. And when I press execute, that gives me one equation. A plus 2.3 equals 0, therefore A equals negative 2.3. And the second equation is when x equals 1, that's going to equal 2. And that gives me my second equation, and that's the equation there. And this equation given A equals negative 2.3, solve for B, and that gives me two possible answers for B. And when I double check and draw them, this one, the 1.77, not the negative 3.68, gives me the gate where I want the gate to be. So if I go up here and I take this answer and I copy it and I place it down here, I know that A equals negative 2.3, and I know that B either equals, given B equals this, and if I open up my gate and I drag and drop this particular rule, it doesn't give me the gate in the right place. But if I make B equal to this particular answer, so I'll get rid of this, but I make B equal to that, and I drag and drop that, it ends up giving me my gate in the right place. So B has to equal this particular value. So I got negative 2.3 bracket 1.77x plus 1 squared plus 2.3 is going to be my rule. And I replace x with negative, and then I replace x with x minus 2, gives me my second rule, which could be simplified to equal this. So how wide is it when x equals 1.5? Make the height y equal 1.5. That gives an x value of 0.3927. Minus that from 1 and double it. Do the same thing for 1.8 and you get different widths. And system area wants the widest gate, so the most people can fit through. Therefore, the second option, which gave you the widths of 1.26 and 93 centimeters, would be her preferred option.